Want to undo a repost on Instagram? First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Under your bio, you'll see tabs for posts, reels tagged, and reposts. Tap Repost to view everything you've reshared. Next, scroll through your reposts until you find the one you want to remove. Tap on that post or reel to open it full screen. On the right side of the screen, you'll see options for like, comment, share, and a reposted icon that shows it's currently on your profile. After that, tap the reposted icon once. Instagram will immediately remove that item from your Reposts tab and revoke access for anyone who hasn't already seen it in their feed. You'll see the icon return to its default state, confirming the repost is undone. If you ever want to share it again, just tap that same icon to repost. If this helped you, tap like, drop your favorite Instagram tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials.